DJ Macdee and his newly wedded wife Wahu Wakariithi have now taken off for their honeymoon vacation. As you may know, weekend nĩrahĩtũkire Wahu Wakariithi na DJ Macdee tied the knot, exchanged vows na maratuĩka mũthuri na mũtumia officially. Na now today Wahu Wakariithi took to her Instagram na gũkorwo agĩtuonia ke na mwendwa wake Macdee at the airport as they are headed for their vacation, akiuga it is via bonfire adventures na nginya akorwo akionania the tickets, their flight tickets, no matinakorwo makiumbũra nĩkũ marathiĩ. Their destination they have not yet revealed, but they will. Wahu Wakariithi has promised to share everything via their YouTube channel. Nĩakorwo agĩpromise mafans ake atĩ she will do the vacation video na nĩakũmĩpost on their YouTube channel at the Macdee's family, na tukamendithĩria a wonderful time together, a happy vacation. May they enjoy themselves to the fullest. You know, they are the newest couple in town. Na DJ Macdee shortly after their wedding nĩarakorirwo agĩtĩa mũno on his Facebook page akiuga whoever finds a wife finds a good thing, baby wangu. Onake Wahu Wakariithi also on her Instagram page, onake no arakorirwo agĩtĩa akiuga hakika Yesu amejua kunifurahisha. Wow, they are both genuinely happy na tukamendithĩria all the best in the way forward. Neno nĩyo video Wahu Wakariithi akorwo agĩshare yake na DJ Macdee as they are headed for their vacation.
Hi guys.
Hi baby.
Bonfire deals. Bonfire deals. Moto sana. See you on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share. Hit on that notification bell so that every time we upload a new video, you will be notified. Videos zinakuja back to back.
Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũ subscribe, never miss an update on your favorite Kikuyu celebrities.